Texta.ai is an AI-powered tool that enables you to effortlessly create comprehensive content in a time-efficient manner. With just a single keyword, Texta.ai can generate a title, outline, and content within minutes. It streamlines the process of writing high-quality, well-structured articles, catering to the needs of marketers, designers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses who seek to generate creative marketing copy automatically based on a brief description. Drawing insights from millions of examples provided by renowned companies, Texta.ai's AI has been trained to create compelling content tailored to your target audience. Furthermore, Texta.ai simplifies the testing and evaluation of your landing pages, email campaigns, and social media ad creatives by offering unlimited text options. What is Texta.ai? Texta.ai is an AI tool that helps you quickly and easily create long-form content. With just one keyword, it can generate a title, outline, and content for you in minutes. Texta.ai makes it easy for you to write high-quality, structured articles quickly. It was made for marketers, designers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses to automatically write creative marketing copy from a short description. Texta.ai's AI has been set up with the help of millions of examples from the most prominent companies, so it knows how to create content that will appeal to your target audience. Even Texta makes it easy to test and evaluate your landing pages, email campaigns, and social media ad creatives by giving you unlimited text options. With Texta, you can use artificial intelligence to make content that is good for search engines, which will help your website rank in search engine algorithms. Also, you can get past writer's block with the platform's help, which gives you a choice of content that was made automatically. Additionally, with Texta's AI-generated product descriptions, you can give your customers information about your products, making them more likely to interact with them. The platform also works with French, German, and other languages. Texta.ai Lifetime Deal Features. Texta.ai is an AI-powered content creation program that enables you to effortlessly produce a wide range of assets for your brand. With its extensive set of features, you can create all the essential elements you need in just a few minutes with a single click. Let's explore some of the key features offered by Texta.ai. Texta.ai Lifetime Deal Features. Texta.ai is a content creation program that is powered by artificial intelligence. It has lots of features that, with one click, let you make everything you need for your brand in just a few minutes. So, let's see some features of Texta.ai. Article Generation. Texta.ai's article generator goes beyond creating long-form material. It boosts writing productivity by generating roughly 1,000 words in seconds. Several languages. Texta.ai offers a remarkable language understanding capability, currently supporting over 10 languages. Furthermore, the platform is continuously expanding its language repertoire, with upcoming additions such as English, Dutch, Italian, Japanese, Russian, French, Chinese, Polish, and Spanish. Stay tuned for even more linguistic versatility and global accessibility. Blog Topics. Texta.ai is a powerful tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to assist you in generating innovative blog ideas that are tailored to your niche. By leveraging advanced algorithms, Texta.ai analyzes your specific industry and audience, providing you with creative and relevant blog ideas that resonate with your readers. With Texta.ai as your content companion, you can fuel your blog with fresh and captivating ideas, ensuring your content stands out in the crowded digital landscape. Outline Content Maker. With the power of artificial intelligence, Texta.ai simplifies the process of creating content outlines by analyzing search engine results pages. Gone are the days of spending valuable time deciphering the outlines used by your competitors. Texta.ai takes the guesswork out of outlining by providing you with a comprehensive and structured framework for your content. Let Texta.ai be your guide in crafting well-organized and engaging content outlines, saving you time and ensuring your content is optimized for success. Copy Machine for social advertisements. With Texta.ai, you have the power to create an abundance of high-quality and captivating advertising copy for your business. Elevate your ad campaigns to new heights with our innovative social ads copy generator. Your advertisements will shine brightly amidst the competition, capturing the attention of your target audience. Unleash your creativity and craft compelling advertising copy that resonates with your customers, drives engagement, and boosts your business's success. With Texta.ai, the possibilities for creating impactful advertising copy are limitless. Startup Supplies. Texta.ai boasts an exceptional feature for startup speech, setting it apart from the rest. Unlock the potential of your startup with our comprehensive toolkit. Craft a compelling value proposition that resonates with your target audience, ensuring your message hits the mark. Discover available domain names that perfectly align with your brand, giving you a distinct online presence. Refine and enhance your startup idea, leveraging the power of Texta.ai to fuel your entrepreneurial journey. With Texta.ai by your side, you have the tools to shape your startup into a thriving venture. Title Generator. Say goodbye to the effort of coming up with intriguing and authentic titles. Texta.ai introduces an AI-powered title generator that effortlessly generates attention-grabbing titles tailored to your specific niche, all while taking the competitive landscape into account. You can simply generate titles that are entertaining, niche-focused, and tailored for success with Texta.ai. Enhance your content with captivating titles that capture your audience's attention and promote meaningful engagement. Allow Texta.ai to do the heavy lifting for you and watch your content fly to new heights. Why should you use Texta.ai? Texta.ai offers a free 7-day trial, which is ideal for people who are unsure about adopting AI copywriting tools. You can easily develop various types of content, such as blog posts, sales copy, and social media advertisements, with the help of Texta.ai and high-quality material. Texta.ai's all-in-one content improver tool assists copywriters in polishing their work and delivering remarkable articles. While Texta.ai primarily assists bloggers in generating ideas and writing content more quickly, it also keeps up with industry trends. Texta.ai's forward-thinking teams are always pushing the envelope, developing new features that lead to breakthroughs and improve user experiences. As a result, it is a great resource for small and emerging firms. Texta.ai software, in conjunction with other components, can help you accomplish better results and obtain more positive feedback. You may, for example, effortlessly integrate advertising into emails or guarantee that your website's content is mobile-friendly. Texta.ai enables you to improve your marketing efforts and achieve better results. It's an excellent solution that will assist you in writing articles appropriately and improving the type of material you normally publish. If you've ever tried to create new material for your website, you know how difficult it can be to come up with new ideas and stay up to date on the newest advances in your sector. You won't have to worry about that using Texta.ai AI copywriting software. The AI copywriting tool will create unique, high-quality website copy that is ready for publication. It will also have all of the keywords required for higher Google results. Texta.ai lifetime deal: one-time purchase of only $99. Lifetime access to Texta.ai. Unlimited credits. All other Pro Max Plus plan features. Get Texta.ai lifetime access now.